Oh, y'all smell that? It smells like broke. And that's the language we're gonna be speaking today.
Just kidding.
There's no more broke boys after this video today, guys. Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors, it's Griff back at it again with a huge video today. Y'all have been wondering about how to do this, and that's why you looked up this video, and guess what? You found the right guy. So before I start any of this today and jump right into it, if you do enjoy this video the slightest bit,
the smallest amount,
you do find it humorous, and you have the kind heart, I know you have, make sure to demolish that thumbs up button down below and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. 3 steps today. 3 simple steps. That's all it's going to take. Step 1, really serious. Step 2, kind of serious. And step 3 might or might not work, but guess what? You're definitely going to get the AirPods you are looking for, my friend. I promise you that. Now also, one more small disclaimer. This works with any generation AirPod. I'm even talking about the AirPods in 2050. It'll still work then. This is going to work every single year or whenever they come out with AirPods. It really depends on what version you want. Now enough of this chatter, enough of this BS. Let's jump right into tip number 1, guys. Tip number 1. Now, we all have a family. Now, if we don't have family, there's other people in our lives. There's no way you're just a single person in this lifetime and you don't come in contact with anybody. Now, what you do, say if you have about 10 family members and your birthday's coming up, or Christmas, or a holiday, all you gotta do is rather ask for money, 20 bucks a pop, depending on which AirPods you want, and look at that. It's basically like free. It's free money, free AirPods. Look at that, you got them. And if they don't give you the money, just go in and ask like this.
Hey, yo, bitch.
Yes, sweetie.
I need AirPods now.
Now, tip number 2. What you're gonna need is a computer for this one. Doesn't matter, Mac or PC, but I use a Mac, so can't really help the PC users with this, as in distinct instructions on how to do this. But if you have a Mac, you have a one-up. If you have a PC, you'll be able to find out how to do this, but it's gonna be a little bit different. Now, enough of this chit chatter, let's just jump right on.
Welcome to my desktop. From here, go to Google Chrome, any web browser, go to apple.com. Once that opens up, what we're going to do is we're going to go, holy Kmart connection, we're gonna go to the iPhone tab. From there, what you're gonna do is you're going to go to AirPods, because that's what we want. From there, once that loads, you're gonna have to choose which AirPod model you want. I don't want the regular AirPods, I want the AirPods Pro. Click buy. Once you get to that tab, what you're gonna do is you could rather personalize them or just go straight up for the regular ones. We're not gonna personalize. Hit add to bag. From there, what we're gonna do is we're going to right click on any random space. And you see that little inspect option, hit that. From there, you're gonna see a bunch of mumbo jumbo pop up on the screen. A bunch of numbers, letters, hit find up top, okay? And we're gonna look for these numbers because we want those to be free. We want those to be 0, zilch, nada, non-existent. So we're gonna click what we want here. Hold on a second, find the numbers, hit edit text, then change all of those numbers to 0 or free. Then continue this step on until every single number says 0. And then what we're gonna do after that is, well, we're gonna get our AirPods for free. So get rid of the text, get rid of the subtotal, get rid of anything that has a number basically on this page. You're changing it. And here is my favorite part, to be honest with you. What we're going to do is we're going to make the shipment center's job a lot easier, so when they look and see your order in the system, it's originally going to say, your AirPods are free, bro. Congrats. Now just check out, hit the checkout button, fill out your shipping address, and boom, wait for your AirPods in the mail.
As you can see, it worked for me, and guys, it could work for you. You just got to make sure you do the steps right, and then it will proceed to checkout. You guys will check out, and the AirPods will be on your way for free. Look at that, you're welcome. Tip number 2 in the books, done. Now, on to the mighty tip number 3. Tip number 3 requires quite the skill, and if most of you are familiar with my channel, you've seen this before, so don't get mad at me. This is just how I help a lot of people out. Now let's just jump right back onto our computer and see where we're going with this.
Welcome to my desktop yet again. And what we're going to do is we are going to airdrop a photo of ourselves holding nothing but air, nothing in our ears, drop it in our Photoshop application. And what you're going to do from here, drop in a fake ass AirPods box. Boom, resize that, make it look legit. Okay, next, what we're going to do is we're missing the actual AirPod. Go on Google Images, type on AirPod Pro in-ear. What you're going to do is you're going to find an image that fits. Boom, we're going to crop out that AirPod out of that person's ear, because guess what? We're stealing it. Not legit, because it's really not nice to steal from people in real life, so we're going to virtually do it, because we're all warrior behind the keyboard. Get all your stuff right, make sure the AirPod looks legit, and honestly, this is as close as I'm going to get it. So from there, once you have that all set, drop that into your Photoshop image, and make it look legit, make it fit. Ooh, that rhymed, the bars. Then what we're going to do is we're going to save that. Okay, and then I got to blur it out just a little bit so it looks like a lens blur. Give me 1 second here. Oh, there we go. Oh, nope, that doesn't look like it. Okay. And got it. There we go, my friends. Free AirPods. Drop that to yourself. And boom, you got free AirPods. Now brag to your friends.
And that is going to do it for this video today, guys. You are welcome. I showed you how to get free AirPods. I know tip number 3 was a little janky, and I'm sorry. I truly am. But listen, if you have a sense of humor, if you have the kind heart, I know all of you do, make sure to demolish that thumbs up button, beat it up. Then also, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I do not post content like this all the time. Most of my content is actually good and genuine, and I actually try. But most of you right now are probably so heated, you're like, yo, this guy, he sucks. But that's going to conclude this video, guys. Again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will definitely see you in the next video.